Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In this video we are going to solve if A, B, C are interior angles of a triangle ABC, then show that sine B plus C by 2 is equal to cos A by 2. So we need to prove this. So firstly we will start with solution. Given is ABC are angles, interior angles. So interior angles, you need to write the given, then you need to start with A plus B plus C is equal to 180 degrees. Now guys, we say divide by 2 on both sides. I am dividing 2 on both the side because I have 2. That's why A plus B plus C divided by 2, and here also 180 divided by 2, and here we have A plus B plus C by 2, and here we have 90. And now we will write as BC is together, so we write B plus C by 2, and we will write A like that, A by 2 plus B plus C by 2 and 90 degrees here. Now I have written separately A by 2 and B plus C by 2 together. Now we will take A on this side, so here B plus C by 2, I'll make a line, B plus C by 2, 90 plus A by 2. So this is how we get. Now we write, multiply both sides of with sine on both sides. We can write like that, sine on both sides. So I write here sine B plus C by 2 is equal to sine 90 plus A by 2. To that side, I'll get here minus. That's why like right now I can make a formula that sine 90 minus theta is cos theta. So now I'll write same as it is, B plus C by 2 is equal to sine 90 minus theta can be written as cos theta, guys. So cos A by 2. So you can see that we have proved the given. It shows that this we have to prove. So hence we have proved the question, guys. That's all. Now we move to the next question. Till then, I have seen many of the guys who are just watching the video, and you haven't subscribed to the channel and you haven't liked the videos. So watch the entire playlist I have given in the description. And if you feel anything, any doubt, please do comment below, and press the notification so that you get tuned. So till then, take care, bye bye.